Coronavirus disease was first discovered in China, then it spread around the globe rapidly. According to the scientists' point of view and their belief, coronavirus infected another animal, then the animal infected people and created the pandemic. According to a sufficient amount of scientists, the animal infected people is called pangolin. After that, the virus altered and mutated, and after the mutation, the virus was ready to infect people in a negative manner. But on the other hand, nobody knows the exact reason how coronavirus was created. Some of them consider that the virus has been created in labs and spread to human beings as well as other living. Coronavirus is a group of viruses and they are covered by protein spikes, and this makes them look as a crown. There is not just one version of coronaviruses, there are more than 100. 7 of them are able to infect people. All of the 7 viruses are petty infections to the nose and throat. Some of them affect the lungs and they make worse effects in the human body. When an affected person just coughs, they spread the virus easily. When the droplets go through other person's mouth or nose, the person is no longer a healthy person. Coronaviruses are spread quickly, especially in enclosed as well as bustling places. When coronavirus spikes go through people's body, they change healthy cells and replicate its own genes. They mutate, alter themselves, alter DNAs, even be more perilous. Unfortunately, the mutations occur almost every day. After being treated, our bodies are able to recognize the viruses and defeat them quicker than they could. As long as the viruses change and mutate, our bodies recognize the viruses as new viruses, and therefore it's a little bit harder to gain immunity again. But what can we do against coronavirus? I will demonstrate you some of tips and tricks in order to fight against coronaviruses. If you have fever, lower respiratory illness or other symptoms, you should utilize the following tips. As long as you wash your hands after taking transportation, shaking hands with your friends, or just holding a handle, you can defeat the pandemic as much as possible and you won't jeopardize your life. Moreover, you can just utilize a hand sanitizer by pouring some of them into your palm and spread it to every edge of your hand. Maintaining social distance is one of the best ways to not put yourself into a dangerous position and stay healthy. After touching equipment outside, try to not scrub your eyes nor mouth. When you are in a crowded and interior place, you had better wear a mask to minimize the risk. If you don't feel okay and you have the symptoms I said, you have to stay home and take care of yourself. It was everything I wanted to say. I hope you all never catch the virus and stay